Hello, my name is Stevie Martin with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video will go into how to collect logs from the AvayaLive Engage server for use by support, and we'll also take a look at the client reporting tool on the end user desktop. Prior to AvayaLive Engage Release 3.0, to collect logs, the AvayaLive support personnel would have to go into the AvayaLive Engage desktop and manually collect any logs they would need to debug any issues that may come up. For Release 3.0, a tool has been added to the AvayaLive Engage administration panel that allows either support or the end user to collect the logs, download them to their desktop, and send them to the appropriate support team. To access this tool, you'd first go to the AvayaLive admin panel. That'd be HTTP or HTTPS, the fully qualified domain name of the AvayaLive Engage server, WA admin panel, and log in using an administrative password. Once you've logged into your administrative panel, you go to the top of your screen and go into the Advanced tab, and in that tab you go down to the section labeled Server Logs. You may see a list of logs that are in here from previous collections, or as in this case you may not see any, which implies just that none have ever been collected. You would select Collect, and after the collection is complete, you can just right click on your zip file and save it to the desktop. And if you're a customer, you can then send that file to the Avaya support personnel for them to look at your issue and try to resolve it. If you're an AvayaLive Engage on-premise solutions customer, you will have administrative access to the desktop of the server to support your AvayaLive Engage environment. If you wish, you can go directly to the folders or the logs you just collected or stored and pull them down, or you can go into that folder and if you want, delete any copies that were made. When you delete them and you do a refresh in the administrative panel, you'll see the zip files disappear from the list. This directory is in the AvayaLive Data Store, or folder W, AvayaLive, debug logs, and the instance ID of the server you're on. In this case, for our on-premise software solutions, it's number 1. Other data to be collected to resolve an issue is data on the end user's desktop. This data is collected using the Engage reporting tool. If an end user has a crash of the environment, the tool will come up automatically. Question you fill in your information and will send a report to Avaya support. Another way to bring up the tools is manually by going Start, Programs, AvayaLive, Engage Reporting Tool. For Release 3.0, we've added extra information in the tool. We ask for your name, your email, and the URL of your site. This URL information is in the data collected, but we ask for it here in case you have a redirect. None of this information is mandatory, but if you wish quick action, you need as much information as possible. You have the additional information section, and in this section you should put as much details about the steps involved to reproduce the problem if there was any you can collect. The last thing to note is the report is for an open support ticket or not. You select that if it is. Normally this will be done after you've reported an issue and you're working with the Avaya support personnel. And when you've done this, you just click OK and the report is sent to the support team. One last note about the data sent from the end user's desktop. What we're looking at here is the actual report that was sent to Avaya support personnel. No personal data is included. You see the basic information of the operating system you use, the type of the desktop, and information on the processor and RAM. This type of information is necessary to understand if the issue is related to the configuration of the laptop or PC itself. The only user information sent is the information you put in the report tool, and you see it here in userinfo.txt. All the actual logs are included in the zip file. These logs are collected at the time of the generation of the report and then deleted.
Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support.avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.